You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's find out what is this Roman numeral and why. What does it mean? If you want to learn more Roman numerals, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. This is the number 13. This is a date. It's positive, negative, bad luck, good luck. Many use it as a tattoo. The meaning: Roman numeral 13. How to say number 13, XIII. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.